You can also order a charging key, RFID, through the Fortum Charge Drive app. An RFID key is a device that allows you to easily start and stop your charging sessions at any of our charging stations without relying on the app or your mobile device. To order a charging key, simply follow these steps. Go to the menu and click on Store. Choose an RFID key or charging card from the available options. Click Add to Cart. Go to the cart by clicking on View Cart. Proceed by clicking Continue. Place your order by entering your information, including your first name, last name, address, postal code, city and country. Once your order is placed, you will receive a confirmation. Alternatively, you can order the key by navigating to the menu, selecting My Account, then Charging Keys, and choosing the Order Charging Key option. To view your order history, access the My Account menu and click on Orders. From there, you can also download or share your receipt for reference.